All right, we're just finishing up on this 2014 logarithms review. Let's do part B with the calculator. You have $10,000 now, and you wish it to grow to $45,000 in 7 years. What interest rate compounded continuously? When we have continuous compounding, we use this formula. We have A, 45,000, equals P is 10,000, times e to the t is 7. We want 7 years, 7r. Step 1, divide both sides by 10,000. I get 4.5 equals e to the 7r. We want to get this down from the tree, so we use logarithms. ln of 4.5 equals 7r. Divide both sides by 7. I get r equals the natural log of 4.5 over 7. According to my calculator, that's 0.21. The interest rate is 21.5%. Let's go to number 2. Lingletown has 8 million people and it's growing compounded continuously. So again, A equals P times E to the RT. In Lingletown, we start with 8 million times E to the, it's growing at 12%, 0.12 T. That's the number of people I have in Lingletown. In Galatietown, we have 17 million people, times e to the, what's their growth? It's decreasing by 18% annually, so that's negative 0.18 t. When will the two towns have the same? When will these be equal? I don't know. Let's take our calculator. Y equals, we'll put in for y1, 8 times second e to the x, 0.12 t, and we'll put in for y2, 17 times second ln e to the x, negative 0.18x. That's hard to see, sorry about that. Enter. Let's look at the graph. There's Lingletown growing. Well, that's a bad window, isn't it? Window setting. There's Galatietown. Well, we can guess it's right around there, so we're pretty close. Window, let's make our Y max 20. Second calc. Intersect, 1, 2, 3. They intersect at 2.51 years. They will have 10.8 million people. Answer, 2.51 years. Number 3, the amount of radioactive isotope carbon-14 in milligrams in a recently deceased cow's pelvis could be found according to this formula. 40 times 2 to the negative t over 5730. How much carbon-14 did the cow's liver originally contain? If we plug in 0 for time, we get 2 to the power of 0, which is 1. So C of 0 equals, well, let's write it out for the IB people. C of 0 equals 40 times 2 to the negative 0 over 5730, which equals 40. There was 40 milligrams. When will it be down to 10? When will 40 times 2 to the negative t over 5730 equal 10? Probably the fastest way is to just type this exact, well actually I think the easiest way is to divide both sides by 40 first. I'm going to write 2 to the negative t over 5730 equals 10 divided by 4 is 1/4. And I'm going to just take my calculator. Why mess around with logarithms and such? I might make a mistake. I'm going to write y1 equals 2 to the negative x divided by 5730. Enter, and I'm going to make y2 be 0.25. Enter, okay? This has a half-life of 5,000 years, so my graph needs to go way out on x, like make it out to 20,000. Okay, my y minimum is -1 because I'm not going to ever have y. I'll start at 40 and I'll go down to, that should do it. And then, I forgot one thing, y equals 0.25, okay. I think that'll work. Y max doesn't have to, we only have to go up to 1/4. Let's make that 1. Graph. There's my decay. There's y equals 1/4. Second, calc, intersect, enter. Answer, 11,460 years.